connected through PLC, through wiring, and how we can create a logic through it. Okay, a very, and then we have few exercises related to ladder logic. Okay, not at this problem, not at present. Yeah. So now you can see this example. Okay, so now you can see that this switch PB2 is kind of what kind of switch? This is your NC kind of switch. All right, this PB1 is your NO type of switch. Okay, KO you can say is your output, and this KO has been related to this. Okay, related to this. Okay, now this can be less that one KO is started, it will be started. Okay, until and unless PB2 is not activated. Okay, now let us have a look at this wiring. So this is your L1, your 24 volt. This is your N. Okay, now you can see that a common supply can be seen here. Okay, and this common will be grounded. Okay, so current is passing through this. Okay, it is sinking into this PLCs for common. Okay, so for I0.0, the only thing that you have to concentrate on is that for your input, whether the current is flowing into the system or it is flowing out of the system. That's it. That is used for integrating. When this is sinking type, the current will always flow into the system. Okay, understood? Now, because this common is linked. Let me use a black wire only for this common. This common is linked internally with these circuits. Okay, and this circuit will have your optocoupler, which will provide 5 volt, which will provide you 5 volt. Okay, so this will be linked like this. This will be a resistance, and the flow will be like this. Since the flow is moving through the common line, there will be a you can say not resistance, you will have an opto isolator here, and it will provide 5 volt current. Okay, that we have looked earlier also. Okay, but here you can see that there is PB1 switch, PB2 switch. Okay, and PB1 switch is type of NO, PB2 is kind of NC, KO is kind of your output, and this is latched. We also know about the latching operation, that if Q0.0 is active, it will always be active. Okay, and your output you can get through this. Okay, so now let us take a condition when your PB1 is 0, PB2 is 0. What is going to happen at this particular stage? Now when PB1 is 0, your flow is not going to flow from this particular direction. Okay, the flow can be allowed through this contact, since this is an NC contact. Okay, but the question is that when this is 0, okay, when this is 0, your physical condition, you can say the output is 0, and when this is 0, then this PB1 at ground level will be 1. Okay, so don't get confused with this. I will just ask very simple questions associated to it. You need to answer it. Okay, and I will just ask you about the outcome. Okay, so my question is that when the physical state, now I am talking about physical state of PB1 is 0, and the physical state of PB2 is 0, what will be K0? Adarsh is saying it will be 1. Let me just repeat my question. Yeah. I need more answers. Physical state is 0, 0. Then what will be the condition of KO? Yeah, it will be 0. Why it will be 0? Because the physical condition is 0. That means that PB1, okay, that means that PB1 is 0 at this point of time. Okay, what does that mean? That you will get PB1 0. Okay, if PB2 is also 0, that means this is close contact. Okay, and if it is close contact, then your I0.1 will be passing through it. Okay, and Q0.0 is going to get activated. Okay, now you can see that PB1, PB2, K0 are just representations. Now if PB1, okay, if PB1 is 1, okay, and PB2 is 1, then what will be the output? 0. Yeah, yeah. Now if PB1 is 1, if PB1 is 1 and PB2 is 0, then what will be the output? Yes, then it will be 1. 1. I think there is no doubt in it. Okay, PB1 is 1. That means that flow is going to pass. PB2 is 0. That means the flow is going to pass. Now this condition is, yeah. Now this, your Q0.0 or K0 is 1. Okay, K0 is 1. Okay, so let me say that for this particular, at this instant of time, this is 1. Okay, what will happen there when I will now put this, now since your K0 is 1, now if I am going to put switch this position from 1 to 0 again, now this is 0, this is your in 0 condition, this is 0, this is 0, then what will be your K naught? After that particular condition, that when KO is started. Yeah. Why it will be 1? Because current can pass through. Now your Q0.0 is 1. Yeah. Yes, yes. And this process is called, I have already told you about this process. This process is called, what do we call this process? That latching. Very correct. Latching. Latching. Yeah. Yes, we can latch a particular output through this circuit. So now we don't need an external latching. Okay, we can latch it through our PLC only. Okay, so we can improve our efforts or we can reduce our efforts accordingly. But what will happen when after this particular condition your PB2 has been switched to 1? What will happen to the output when PB2 is 1? 0, 0, 0. So it can work like a, you can say, flip flop. Can it work like a flip flop? Yes or no? Like a set or reset flip flop. Can it work? Answer yes or no. Can it work like a flip flop? What does a flip flop does? That you can latch a particular result until and unless you reset it. Okay, we will also cover SR and RS flip flops. Okay, through this logic only. But now you can relate your electronics to this ladder logic, that how we can convert the basic concepts of electronics into basic logic, and why these basic logics are important to understand, because every kind of process is controlled through this fundamental logics only. Okay, so your fundamental, although they are very easy to understand, they are very easy to operate, but when you integrate them with the on shop floor technologies, you can understand the difference, that yes, we have to integrate one thing to another, to another, to another, in order to get an output. Okay, so I think now you understood the difference, that from a schematic diagram you can have a PLC wiring associated, and through PLC wiring you can develop a ladder logic. This was easy, I think. Okay, now I have a question for you. Okay, you need to draw ladder logic for this particular operation. There are very few exercises. These will be in your assignment also. Okay, draw the ladder logic and send a solution to me on the WhatsApp. Now you can see, when A is on, B is on, C is on, your E should be on. Okay, when only A is on, your E can be on. When your A and B is on, your E can be on. When your ABC is on, your E can be on. Okay, okay. So you need to make a ladder logic for this. I need answer from everyone. A very easy ladder logic. I think you can draw it very easily. Class, do you want me to do one example for you, or are you comfortable you are drawing it on your own? Okay, 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 okay. Just a minute, class. Just a minute. Just give me 2 minutes. I have an urgent call to attend. Sorry guys, there was a urgent call for me to attend. Okay, so I'll just continue with an example. Those who can draw it on your own, they can draw, but I will just teach you that how you proceed to draw a particular ladder logic. Okay, so now you can see how to proceed with a particular ladder logic in a overall sense. Okay, now you know you have an output called E. Okay, you have an output, let me tag it as E. Okay, now let us go one by one. Okay, if A is on, so there is an NO contact. So if A is 1, your E is going to be on. So this is your A. Okay, so if your A is on, your E is always going to be 1. Okay, if B is on, if B is on, see, now if B is on, your E is going to be on. Okay, so irrespective of any other sense, if your A is on, your B is also on. Okay, now if C is on, then it is not necessary. If C is on, then it is not necessary that your E will be on. Okay, for that your C should also be on and your D should also be on. Okay, so this is your C, this. Okay, now you can see your logic for E is complete. When E is going to be on, your A is going to be on, your E is going to be on. When your B is going to be on, your E is going to be on. Okay, when the combination of C and D is going to be on, your E is going to be on. And if any of this situation prevail, your E is going to get activated. Okay, okay, I think this is clear from this particular diagram. Okay, now let us look for F. Okay, now if your A is on and D is on, and D is on, so your A and D is on, your F is going to be on. Okay, so when your A is on, your D is on, your F is going to be on. Okay, and now if your B and D is on, okay, so you can draw a circuit like this also. If your B and D, if your B and D is on, if your B is on and your D is on, your F is going to be on. Okay, I am going as much simpler I can. Okay, I am just going step by step. And now if your C is on, if your C is on, then directly, if your C is on, then directly your F is going to get on. Okay, so now you can see, let me just change the pen color to red. Now you can see if A is on, your E is on. Okay, if B is on, your E is going to be on. If your C and D is on, then by the combination of that, your E is going to be on. Okay, now when your A and D is on, A and D is on, your F is going to be on. When your B and D is going to be on, your B and D is going to be on, your F is going to be on. When your C is going to be on, your F is going to be on. Understood? I think there is no doubt in this. Let me just look at the few answers. Okay. When your A is on, your E is on. Yes. Yeah. Along with the, yeah, you have integrated both of them. Very good, Shubham. A very short answer, but for elaboration, we can use this kind of solution also. So for Shubham, when your A is on, your E is on. When your B is on, your E is on. Yes, correct. When your C is on, along with your D, yes, your E is going to be on. Yes, very correct. When your C is on, your F is going to be on. Yes. When your B and D is on, your F is going to be on. Yes, very correct. And your C is on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can converge to this particular answer also. Okay. So now we can converge into a very single logic also. Okay, a very short kind of logic, which is very much correctly um, um, provided by Shubham. Very good, Shubham. I really appreciate your thing because I required it to elaborate a little bit that how a particular logic works. Okay, so apart from this, you can also draw this E. Okay, like this. This will be a more better answer. But apart from this, a very brilliant answer from your side, Shubham. A, yeah, B, B in combination with this. So now you can see that A, B, and your C, and you can connect F with it. Your F with it. My apologies for the handwriting, but I have only this particular um, tool with me. Um, and D. So the process is same. You can see the process is same. A will activate E, B will activate E, C and D will combination is going to activate E. Okay. Apart from that, A and D is going to activate F. B alone can activate B with a combination of D can activate F, and C alone can activate F. Okay. So when C alone is activated, your E is not activated, your F is activated. Correct. When B and D combination is activated, your F is also activated, your E is also activated. Very correct. Okay, if A is activated, E is activated. Yes, very correct. And your F is not activated. Yes, very correct. So a smaller version of this can be dealt like this. Both of these logic can work, but a smarter answer will be this. Very correct, Shubham. Okay. Uh, Let me just see other answers also. Where was I? Yeah. Letter logic. Yeah. Shubham has done it correct. Sachin is also correct. Sachin, rather than this, your orientation should be straight only. Okay. So your orientation of E and F should be done. And the same like Shubham has done. You can look at his answer. Okay, but you should make it properly. E, F, and just close this particular circuit. The closure of the circuit is also very much important. Okay, although it is correct. Okay, the solution is correct, but the representation is not correct, Sachin. Okay, Yeah, somewhat representation is again, you need to draw these rungs also. Okay, so these rungs are important because your connection is going through these rungs only. Okay, these rungs and with this proper E mark. Okay, output mark. Kindly go through the representation because representation is also very much important. So for Shubham, Nayan, and Sachin, representation is also important. Okay, so kindly focus on representation also. Okay, A, B, Ritik, very correct. Again, representation is an issue. Okay, Muskan also very correct. Representation is also correct than others, but again, you need to connect E and F with the last rung also. Okay, your circuit is not complete. Un- A, E, B, C, D. Yes, correct, Abhay. But again, representation is an issue. Bhanu has represented it correctly, and the answer is also correct and more elaborative. Yes, it is correct. Bhanu, your answer is correct. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Yes, Alok, your answer is also correct. Now, both the ladder logic can work. This is a more smarter answer, but again, your representation, Alok, is very correct. Hitesh, your answer is also correct. Yeah. Adarsh Shukla. Yeah, your answer is also correct. A, B, C, D, A, D, B. Okay, you have done AD, then you have done BD, okay, and then C. Yeah, your answer is also correct. It can also work. Adarsh, your answer can also work. This is Nandini. Nandini, your answer is also correct. Just complete the rung till bottom. The rung should be equal. Sunidhi, your answer is correct and well represented. Yeah. Varun, your answer is correct and well represented. Kush, your answer is correct and well represented. Ankush, your answer is correct and well represented. Uh, Kalpana, your answer is correct and well represented. Just mark your E and F above the diagram, not between the diagram. Aparajita, your answer is also correct. Representation is also correct. And Sahil, your answer is also correct. A, D, B, D, C. Yeah, yeah. Most of all of you are aligned to this. Yeah. Now, let me just erase the pen. Can you draw the solution for this diagram also? Now you can draw it on your own. Okay. Just quickly give me the answer of this particular question also. The combination of A and D will give you an output of F. The combination of C and E is going to give you A, C and E is going to give you F. Yes, correct. B along with E is going to give you F. Yes, correct. Ritik, your answer is correct. Quick and correctly represented. Yeah, Adarsh, your answer is also very correct. Nicely represented. Very nicely represented by Adarsh. Kalpana, your answer is also correct and very nicely represented. Yeah, it is correct. Sahil, your answer is also correct. Shubham, your answer is also correct. So Shubham, Muskan, your answer is correct. Nayan, your answer is A, B, C. Yes, it is B, C, correct. Yeah, what it is correct. Yeah, it is correct. Nayan, your answer says that combination of B and E will give you the answer. A, C, E will give. And how the combination of B, C, D is going to be a little bit glitch in. Nayan, your answer is correct almost, but there is a little bit glitch in representation. We normally don't recommend that the flow should go in opposite direction, although it can not represented in ladder logic like this. Okay, although it is almost correct. Okay, your notion is correct, Nan, but a little bit glitch in the representation. Okay, Nandini, your answer is correct, well represented. Sonidhi, you also kindly just consider this that from if your B, C, and D is going to work, okay, so that flow is moving opposite in C direction. You both Nayan and Sunidhi, your answer, your flow for BCD flow, the flow from the C switch is in opposite direction, which is correct, but it is not. You can say more aesthetic. Okay, although it is correct, it is technically somewhat correct, but in ladder logic we don't have such kind of you can say freedom. Barun Pathak, the combination of AD, okay, the combination of AC, yeah, AC and E, yes, it will give you F, okay. Again, B, E is going to give you F, okay. Okay, why you have made so much lines? You can connect it through a single line only and make a single diagram. So the line that is going from CE and the line that is going from E to the common run, the line that is going from CD to common run, those can be those that vertical line can be a common line. There's no issue in that, I think. Kush again, that flow from C, the same problem that Sunidhi, I think, and Nayan had faced. Okay, so we can't move in the reverse direction for a particular answer. Okay, and this is a problem for Khushbu, I think. Yeah, and for Abhay, yeah, correctly represented. For Bhanu, yeah, correctly. Just note that the center contact is C. Okay, so A, D, B, and E. The center one is C. Ankush is correct. Aprajita again. So Aprajita, Khushbu, Nayan, and Sunidhi have common problems. Issue. Okay, the issue is same, that it can't reverse its flow direction for the C switch. Okay, as far as Sachin is concerned, again same issue as previous one. C, the flow is reverse in C. Hitesh, your answer also. Alok, your answer is correct. Okay, okay. So I think, uh, let me just escape this. So I think, uh, Hitesh, Sachin, Aparajita, uh, Khush, and Sunidhi and Nayan. Do you address this problem? Kindly reply on the chat box, yes or no. Do you address that problem? Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, good. Okay, okay. So it is just about the representation. How you represent also matters. Okay. We have very few examples associated now, and two more examples in line, and then we will just conclude the session. So draw the example for this also very quickly. Now, class, just note that this is your diode also associated to your logic line. Okay. So earlier we had an, you can say, we had switches. Now we have diodes. So from C to D, the flow can work from C to in this particular direction, but it cannot flow in this particular direction. Okay. So please kindly keep that also in mind. No, we can't use this kind of arrangement, Ritik. We can't use this kind of arrangement. Ritik, this kind of arrangement does not work. Okay, you need to rethink about it. Again, you can start with a very general approach that I have provided you in the uh, first solution. That general approach can work. Okay, and then you can iterate your solutions to a shorter version. But it is all to start with a larger version. You can always compact your solution. Now in this, I will just give you a hint. So your logic will be something like this, that A and D is going to activate E. Okay. Your B and D is going to activate, sorry, A and D is going to activate G. Your B and D is going to activate G. Your B and E is going to activate G. Your C and F is going to activate G. Your C and E is going to activate G. But your A and E is not going to activate your G. Your A or F is not going to activate your G. And your B and F is not going to activate your G. Okay. Ritik, we can't use this diode kind of structure or logic in ladder logic, right? We have already covered ladder logic. We don't have anything like this. Okay, Nayan, this नहीं बेटा, लैडर लॉजिक आप दोगे तो कंप्यूटर को ही ना. अगर कंप्यूटर के पास वो फैसिलिटी ही नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? कंप्यूटर उसको अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं करता तो आप उसको फ्लो नहीं दिखा सकते ना. मतलब लॉजिक आपको बनाना है कंप्यूटर को. आप आपका आईक्यू बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, कंप्यूटर का आईक्यू होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है ना. उसको नहीं पता, जब तक उसको पहले नहीं बता रखा होगा कि ये कुछ होता है तब तक उसको नहीं पता होगा. ठीक है ना. वो तो केवल लॉजिक पे काम करेगा ना. स्विच एक्चुअली क्या है कि स्विच अंडरस्टैंड करता ही नहीं. मैंने क्या कहा आपको अभी कि आपको केवल एनओ और एनसी कांटेक्ट ही बनाना है. ये कांटेक्ट केवल एनओ या एनसी कांटेक्ट के कॉम्बिनेशन से ही बन सकता है केवल. ठीक है ना. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आपको केवल एनओ एनसी के कांटेक्ट को कैसे आप इटरेट करोगे, आइटरेट करोगे, वो देखना है आपको. ठीक है ना. तो उसमें स्विचिंग का एक्चुअली हम कर तो सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर आपको सीएस डिपार्टमेंट वाले लोगों को बोलना पड़ेगा कि एक आइकन बनाओ स्विच का और वो रिप्रेजेंट कराओ. मुझे नहीं पता. फिर आपको पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. वो हम कर नहीं सकते. भानु ने आंसर दिया है ए और डी का कॉम्बिनेशन जी को ऑपरेट करेगा. ठीक है. बी और डी का कॉम्बिनेशन जी को एक्टिवेट करेगा. ठीक है. बी और ई का कॉम्बिनेशन जी को एक्टिवेट कर देगा. ठीक है. ए और ई का कॉम्बिनेशन भी इसमें जी को एक्टिवेट कर रहा है भानु. गलत हो गया ये तो. ए और ई ओपन होगा तो आपके लॉजिक के हिसाब से तो वो ऑन हो गया ना. और
yes, I got it.
या भानु आप थोड़ा उसको करेक्ट करो. साहिल आपका एक कॉमन लॉजिक में, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट क्लास, जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ मतलब सोल्यूशन तो हो जाएगा इसका. अब इसका सोल्यूशन तो हो जाएगा. देखो क्या बात होती है.
नहीं पहले बनाओ तो सही है. ये तो सिर्फ मैंने आई सेक्शन के ऊपर ऐसा लगा दिया.
हाँ.
इसको लगाना कैसे वो भी पर देखना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा. वो बात कर, वो नहीं डीआरडीओ वाले सर से.
कौन से?
उनसे अभी कोई मीटिंग नहीं है ना डीआरडीओ वाले. अब तक तो केवल टेलीस्कोपिक का सोल्यूशन बना लेते हैं.
ठीक है, पहले आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिए.
हाँ.
तो इसका टाइम
बस.
एक बार बना लेंगे.
हाँ मैं फिर रात में बैठता हूँ. Yeah, sorry for the interruption, class. Yeah, let us continue. साहिल आपका सोल्यूशन है कि आप ये कह रहे हो कि ए और डी जी को एक्टिवेट करेगा, ठीक है। बी और ई जी को एक्टिवेट करेगा, ठीक है। सी और डी, सी और डी हाँ करेगा, ठीक है। बी और डी भी करेगा, ठीक है। सी और डी भी करेगा, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। E will do. Yes, your logic is correct. A little bit bulky. अब आप इसको ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हो। प्रेजेंटेशन भी ठीक है साहिल आपका, लॉजिक ठीक है, ऑपरेट हो जाएगा, बस आप इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करना। ऋतिक ने क्या बनाया है, ये ए और डी का कॉम्बिनेशन, जी ठीक है। बी और ई का कॉम्बिनेशन, ठीक है। सी और एफ का कॉम्बिनेशन, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है। और उसके बाद सब बी और डी का कॉम्बिनेशन, ठीक है। सी और डी का कॉम्बिनेशन करेक्ट, और सी और ई का कॉम्बिनेशन इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। यस वेरी करेक्ट। इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट भी कर सकते हैं हम, सी और ई, सी के साथ ही एक ई को, लेकिन हम उसको उतना शॉर्ट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हम फिर बी और क्या कहते हैं, बी और ई का कॉम्बिनेशन भी तो बनता है ना। तो बी और ई की रंग को हटा करके हम सी और ई के साथ एम्बेड कर सकते हैं, उसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं ऋतिक, है ना। करेक्ट बना है, इसको थोड़ा ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। अगेन यस, ये सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस होंगे हमारे पास, और इसको हम थोड़ा सा ऑप्टिमाइज और कर सकते हैं। नंदनी, खुश ने भी फिर वही सारे लॉजिक बनाए हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 लॉजिक, हाँ ठीक है, इसको हम ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। आदर्श ने कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया है, बी के साथ उन्होंने एक बी के साथ रंग लगा करके डी और ई, ठीक है, के साथ या बी के साथ आप डी और ई को दोनों को कर सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है। थोड़ा और अच्छे से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो आप इसको कि डी और जी को एक साथ एक पैरेलल लाइन में कनेक्ट करके कॉमन जी से आप कनेक्ट कर दो, कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं होगा। करेक्ट है, बट करेक्ट। सी विद डी, सी विद डी, यस वेरी करेक्ट। सी विद ई, यस वेरी करेक्ट। सी विद एफ, यस वेरी करेक्ट, वेरी करेक्ट, वेरी करेक्ट। दिस कैन वर्क। इसको थोड़ा सा और ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं हम, एक कॉमन जी बना करके सबको कॉमन से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट गुड। आदर्श योर आंसर इज करेक्ट। 1 2 3 4 5 6, सुनिधि योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, अ लिटिल बिट बल्कि, हम इसको ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं। या मच मोर बेटर आंसर साहिल, आपने दोनों आंसर दिए हैं। यस करेक्ट, करेक्ट, ऑल काइंड ऑफ आंसर्स आर करेक्ट। अब प्राचीता आपका आंसर भी सही है, बस थोड़ा सा इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करते रहो, आप सोचते रहो कि और कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज करेंगे, बट योर आंसर इज करेक्ट। फंक्शन आपका काम करेगा। अगेन वरुण, आपका भी आंसर करेक्ट है, 6 लॉजिक के साथ आप बना सकते हो, बट थोड़ा बल्कि है, इसको आप ऑप्टिमाइज करने का सोचो। अंकुश योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, बल्कि यू नीड टू ऑप्टिमाइज। नयन ने फिर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सा बताया है, सी एफ और ई, सी अगर ऑन हुआ तो या तो एफ और ई, यस सी के साथ एफ ई, और आप डी भी ऐड कर सकते थे, ओके। सी के साथ या तो एफ या ई या डी, दोनों में से कोई भी ऑन होगा तो आप कर सकते थे, दिस इज करेक्ट। बी के साथ ई और डी, बी के साथ ई और डी, यस। ए के साथ डी, यस करेक्ट। आपके में बस एक ऑप्शन रह गया है, बी के साथ वो जब आप सी को ऑन कर रहे हो तो आपको डी को भी कंसीडर करना है, तो एफ और ई जहाँ पे लिया है वहां पे आप डी को और ऐड कर देना। ओके नयन, बाकी आपने इसको ऑप्टिमाइज कर दिया, गुड। नंदिनी ने भी ऑप्टिमाइज कर दिया इसको, गुड। शुभम ने ठीक बनाया है, लॉजिक ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हो आप शुभम, ठीक है ना। भानु ने क्या बनाया है, भानु ने बोला है कि ए और डी को ऑन करके जी ऑन हो जाएगा, ठीक है। भानु ये भी कह रहे हैं कि भी को ऑन करके मैंने अगर डी को ऑन किया तो आपका जी ऑन हो जाएगा, ठीक है। बी को ऑन करके अगर मैं ई को ऑन करता हूँ तो जी भी ऑन हो जाएगा, वेरी करेक्ट। बी को ऑन करके अगर मैं एफ को ऑन करूंगा तो भी आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, विच इज नॉट करेक्ट। ओके, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट भानु, क्योंकि आप बी को ऑन करके अगर एफ को कनेक्ट कर दोगे तो यू विल नॉट गेट एन आंसर।
Sir, I have connected that F before the point before the line which is connecting to B and D and E.
अच्छा, आपने उसको गलती से आगे कर दिया, उसको आपने पीछे यूज किया है।
Yes, and that is not connected.
अच्छा, आप ये कह रहे हो कि बी को केवल डी और ई से ही कनेक्ट किया हुआ है आपने, नीचे कनेक्ट नहीं किया आपने। ठीक है, फिर तो एक्सक्यूज मी, सी को आपने एफ से कनेक्ट कर दिया, अगर सी के साथ एफ कनेक्ट होगा तो जी ऑन होगा, ठीक है। और सी के साथ ई कनेक्ट होगा, आप, मुझे ना थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एंड वाला पार्ट, आप इसको प्लीज रिपीट करके दोबारा आप आंसर भेज देना, ठीक है ना। देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन। मुस्कान ने इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करके भेज दिया, ठीक ही भेजा है, करेक्ट मुस्कान। आलोक ने भी ठीक भेजा है, ए डी 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 ही लॉजिक बनाए हैं आपने। एक और लॉजिक बनेगा ना आलोक, एक और लॉजिक बनेगा आई थिंक। जनरल लॉजिक 6 है, ठीक है ना, जनरल लॉजिक 6 है आलोक। अभय ने इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करके बना दिया थोड़ा बहुत, सुनिधि ने भी इसको ठीक कर दिया है, आई थिंक सुनिधि को भी सॉल्यूशन ठीक पता चल गया है। सचिन ने भी अब इसको थोड़ा बहुत ऑप्टिमाइज करके बना दिया है, गुड, करेक्ट, वेरी करेक्ट। शुभम ने काफी अच्छा रिप्रेजेंटेशन बना करके भेजा है ये क्लास, शुभम का आंसर भी देख सकते हैं आप, वेरी गुड शुभम। अपराजिता ने भी इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करके भेज दिया है, काफी अच्छा रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। वरुण ने भी काफी अच्छा रिप्रेजेंटेशन किया है, गुड वरुण। एंड नंदिनी ऑल्सो, नंदिनी ने क्या किया है, ए डी के साथ जी, ठीक है, ओके, उसको फर्दर ऑप्टिमाइज कर दिया है। नंदिनी का कहना है कि अगर बी ओपन होगा, बट नंदिनी बी और एफ अगर ओपन हो गए तो आप बी और एफ का तो कोई कॉम्बिनेशन ही नहीं हुआ ना यहाँ, तो अगर आप कह रहे हो कि बी ऑन है और एफ ऑन है तो जी एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, राइट नंदिनी, काइंडली एक्नॉलेज। आपके सोल्यूशन में यू कैन सी दैट बी एंड एफ will not activate G. Okay, so please do the needful changes. I think most of you are aligned to the solution. मतलब आपको एक बेसिक सेंस तो पता चल ही गया। ओके, काइंडली रिस्पॉन्ड, आपको एक बेसिक सेंस तो पता चल गया ना क्लास, काइंडली आंसर यस और नो, ठीक है ना। लैडर लॉजिक बहुत ही, ये देखिए एक प्रोसेस है, ठीक है, आपको हो सकता है थोड़ा टफ लग रहा हो, कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा आसान लग रहा हो, बट एक प्रोसेस है, ठीक है। भले ही टफ लग रहा है, लेकिन इस एक्सरसाइज से आपका एक एस्पेक्ट जो है लॉजिक के साथ वो बढ़ेगा. मतलब आप किसी भी सिंगल प्रोसेस को लॉजिक से कैसे एसोसिएट कर सकते हो, उसका एक लर्निंग पाथ होता है प्रॉपर. और ये एग्जांपल्स के जो सेट है ये लर्निंग पाथ में आगे बढ़ाने के लिए है. ठीक है, अगर आपका आंसर सही आ रहा है या गलत आ रहा है डजेंट मैटर, बट आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ रही है कि हाँ वन वे फ्लो भी हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं है टू वे फ्लो हो. ठीक है ना, उसके लिए लेटर लॉजिक हम ऐसे बना सकते हैं. ठीक है ना, देयर कैन बी एन काइंड ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट, देयर कैन बी एन काइंड ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस, बट अगर आपको एक पाथ पता हो कि कैसे फॉलो करना है, क्या कंस्ट्रेंट से क्या सोल्यूशन आ सकता है, कैसे क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इन चीजों को लेकर के करनी है, देन माय मोटिव इज सॉल्व. ठीक है ना, तो दैट इज व्हाई दीज सेशंस आर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आप सब लोग काफी अच्छे तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो इस सेशन में. सारे लोग रिस्पॉन्ड भी कर रहे हो काफी अच्छे तरीके से, और आप समझ भी रहे हो कि अगर आप गलत हो तो कुछ थोड़ी जगह पे आप भी गलत हो सकते हो, थोड़ी जगह पे मैं भी ऑप्टिमम आंसर नहीं दे सकता, मैं भी काफी बड़े बड़े आंसर दे रहा हूँ. आपने मेरे आंसर्स को भी ऑप्टिमाइज किया, विच इज वेरी गुड. ओके, सो विद दिस आई थिंक हमारा आज का टाइम हो गया है. ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी बिल्कुल सिंपल स्विचिंग का है. We will continue with this question in next session, and I would like to conclude the session for today. I hope you liked the today's session, and so